Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace window switch on BMW E46. As you know, they're located in the middle right there, and you can see how this one is cracked, okay, and it's not working. So we're going to show you how to replace them now. Stay with us, guys. We have that E46 that we're working on building now, and we have our project on World Mechanics, which is a ZHP, guys. Please check it out. Subscribe, let's grow the channel together. Let's go ahead, start on this one now. Alright guys, what we need to do next, you need to put the car in neutral. It needs to be neutral so the shifting levers point straight up. It's important not to twist now left or right. We're going to pull straight up. You need to press that button on the front while you're pulling. If it might be really stuck, so two people might be needed for the job. Okay, the more you remove it, the easier it's gonna come out, to be honest with you. Okay, that's the shifter knob there, out of the way now. Next, we'll need to get a little prying tool, okay, or you can use a screwdriver with electrical tape around it, okay, just something like this one, and you need to carefully, gently pry the trim out of there, okay, because that thing is breakable, okay. And next, okay, we're going to pull it out. Hold on, now we have the wires here that are very short, so we need to go ahead and disconnect these wires. Okay, so those go in. If you grab them on the plastic, never pull on the wires, okay, and if you pull it hard, it's gonna come out. Okay, one is out, second one is out, okay, just like that one now. And here we have another one that we'll need to disconnect as well. There is one little tube that's holding there in the middle, okay, so we just pry it out of there, okay, like that, and it's out of here now. Okay guys, once you remove it now, you can see ours is broken here. So in order to remove the window switches, you press in here, pull this side up, okay, like that, and pull it out. That's the window switch. The other one, exactly the same way. Okay, so that's how you remove and replace them. Put everything together in reverse order. We took it apart. We have a video how to replace the cap, only like that, the plastic button on top. So check it out, it will be on our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.